When I hear the sound of your name, I am amazed. The earth gives way, the mountains bow down, the rocks have their say, willows wave as they pray, the billowing seas allay. When they hear you name, all arguments cease, wars make peace, health is released, swords plow, follow fields at the sound of your name. Empires are crushed, war horses stumble in the dust, demons wet their pants, leftists rant, others chant, all fall prostrate before that name. I hope to hear your name, it is highly esteemed, it's a guarantor of all you attain, provisions greater than fame, that name spoken as a weapon of favor, released by on the tongues of the righteous. I call upon your name to be forever changed, out of my comfort zone, to kneel before your throne, leaving all behind. I call upon your names, Hashem, Elohim, El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yahweh.